Hi, my name is Clyde, and Stephanie just transferred me to you, and I was wondering if you could give me some advice.
Advice? Okay. What?
Okay, well, I bought 2 parrots from PetSmart, and they're very. One of the parrots he's more well behaved, but sometimes he lets out shrieks, mainly at nighttime. When we're sleeping, he wakes us up. I can't tell you several times. And then the other one has learned rude words. And I was wondering if you could give me advice. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. Can you hear them? Excuse me. What'd you say?
No, sir. I was listening to you. Well, they sleeping, you have a small bedding to hide when they're sleeping, or just sleep on the perch?
Yeah, I've never put them on the porch before.
Okay.
Because I'm worried that they'll fly away. But what's the issue here is that one of them, he talks a lot when we're busy, and then the other one shrieks when we're sleeping at night. And they're both in the background right now. I don't know if you can hear them, but I'm trying. Yes, I'm trying to train both of them. One of them's being completely silent. The other one is making obnoxious noise. One of them's well behaved. It's just at night when we're sleeping, that one goes crazy. And the one during the day right now is making noise during the day.
Daytime.
So do you have any advice for me to like train my birds, to train my little puppies, if you know what I mean?
Yeah, what I need to tell you is to get some trick, I've talked to her or him a lot. They have talked to him, they call him like a baby. Hey, come on, baby, come on, baby, give me a key, give me a key. Talking like a little baby,
I'm gonna try it right now with you on the phone. Is that all right?
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
You can make a teach you. I have a pair, or Parrot too. And then I just train it. They sing, they talk. They like to sing.
Okay. They like to sing. Okay. Harris. Sir, what is your name?
Renee.
Excuse me?
Renee.
Renee?
Renee.
Okay. Renee. Did you hear that? Harris said your name.
Harris.
And then the other one is, I'm kind of concerned that during the daytime he doesn't eat at all. And then when I wake up, all the cookies are gone on the table, and it's obviously him.
Cookies are gone. Okay, whatever. I say, give a little cookie, whatever, and talk to.
Right.
And talk a lot,
Oh.
Like a baby, like that.
Sir, he's spreading out his wings. He's spreading out his wings right now. I don't know what to do. He's
wings. What you can do is probably.
Did you hear that? He's shrieking as loud as I can't even fathom how loud he's shrieking. This is what he does at night to wake us up.
How far you live from here?
I'm right in Miami. I live right in Miami. I'm probably like 10 minutes from you.
Miami.
Okay, I'm gonna tell him right now, guys. We're gonna go into the PetSmart. Guys, we're gonna have to go in, and Renee's gonna help us.
Renee.
Gosh, now they're imitating the dog.
Okay, let's come over and then we're gonna go to see
Yeah.
Also, I have a little video with my Parrot here.
Mm-hmm.
And you wanna see how they learn very quickly with my system.
So
you wanna stop by here, I'll be glad to help you.
Okay, so you can. Okay, have you ever had a parrot? Like you'll be able to help me well?
Yeah. I've started all my life. I still have it too.
Is this normal?
You're stupid! You're stupid!
It's normal, so they are quite quiet and others like to talk too much.
You're an idiot! You're an idiot!
Sir, he's calling you an idiot. My bird is.
You're an idiot! You're an idiot!
And it's really upsetting me to this point. I just.
Okay, just come over here and then we wanna talk to my wedding.
Excuse me.
So come over and then we wanna
what'd you say? Excuse me.
No, I said that you come over here.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't hear you.
Can't hear you. Can't hear you.
Gary is making so much noise in the background. Can you repeat it again?
No, they come over and we're going to teach you something.
Okay. Alright. Okay. What are you gonna teach? Just how to behave them?
Don't worry, come over because right now before you, I'm gonna teach you whatever with trick.
Okay.
To use trick, bookie, whatever.
Does it cost money?
No, nothing.
Cost money! Cost money!
Okay?
You're gonna have to speak it one more time because they're just making so much racket. Can you?
Racket! Racket!
Come over and then we're
Excuse me?
just come over. I can't tell you anything. You have to get here.
I can't hear you. Can you speak up a little bit? Or something?
Speak up! Speak up!
Yeah.
Too many screams, oh my god.